In today's video, I'll show you how to disable XML RPC in WordPress to improve your website security. XML RPC is a feature that allows remote connections to your WordPress site, but it's often targeted for brute force and DDoS attacks. If you're not using services that depend on XML RPC, disabling it is a smart security move. The easiest way to do this is by using a plugin, especially if you don't want to edit any code. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the plugin section from the left menu. Select Add New and use the search bar to look for Disable XML RPC by Philip Earp. Once the plugin appears, click Install, then wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. After that, click Activate. As soon as the plugin is activated, XML RPC is disabled automatically. There are no extra settings to configure, which makes this a quick and beginner-friendly solution. This method helps protect your site from common attacks without changing core files or adding complexity. It's a set and forget solution that works quietly in the background and keeps your site safer. That's it, you've successfully disabled XML RPC in WordPress and strengthened your site security. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other WordPress security tutorials.